Hi, I'm Jacqueline Alvarez and welcome to my video about seed plants, gymnosperms and angiosperms. So today we're going to learn about seed plants, or also known as seed tracheophytes, and how they survive and grow on land. So there are two main types of seed plants. There's gymnosperms, which basically means that their seeds grow in cones, and there are angiosperms, which is that their seeds grow inside flowers. Some examples of gymnosperms are pines, which you see in this photo here of the pine trees, firs, and spruces. Then there's cycads, which look like palms, as you can see in this example photo, and ginkgos, which are ancient trees that resist pollution. And then there's gynophytes, which are tough plants that grow in dry deserts. And you can see that they grow directly from the desert and on the sand, and that they're on the floor, while these are elevated from the floor. The next type is angiosperms. Angiosperms are everywhere. There's grasses, shrubs, and wildflowers, which you might actually see often. And there's garden plants like tulips and roses. And there's even trees that bloom like cherry blossoms. Pollen and seeds. You see, seed plants actually don't need water to reproduce. They basically just use pollination. So what happens in this pollination? First, pollen grains carry male cells to female parts using wind or animals. And some animals that they use are like birds or bees to pollinate the flowers. The plant's embryo grows inside a seed, protected by a tough seed coat. You see when the time is right, the seed sprouts or germinates, and then it turns into a mature flower. As you can see here in this picture, it shows all of the processes from the beginning to the end of it. So you see here the embryo, the seedling, the mature plant, the mature flower, then it goes to here, and then it goes here, and then it just keeps on going